Hi guys, welcome to my 1-minute guitar lesson. Today we'll be learning how to slide up and slide down. For this tutorial, I'll be using the C chord and I'll be sliding it up 2 frets. So all you have to do, play the chord and press and slide at the same time. But you must slide immediately after you play, like that. And sliding back down is exactly the same thing. And when you slide, you must press hard and slide at the same time. Also, when you slide, you must keep your eyes fixed on the end position. So my eyes was fixed on the C chord. Now my eyes is fixed on the C chord 2 frets up. So that's all you need to know about sliding on the guitar. Thanks for watching.